Hi, Yashu. This is Miss Taylor, your tutor from Illinois State. I hope you and your family are doing well. I miss seeing you every week, but I hope you are having lots of fun at home. I really enjoyed getting to know you over the few weeks that we spent together. The very first day that we met, we played a get to know you Jenga game. I learned so much about you from playing this game. I learned that you like video games, you like animals, especially cats. Your grandma lives in India and she even has cows. I also learned that reading and writing aren't your favorite activities, but you are amazing at both. By completing the All About Me book at the beginning of our time together, I learned that the best way to express yourself is through drawing. I love getting to know you through your well-illustrated drawings. One of my favorite drawings was of the police car and helicopter, as well as the army tank that you drew. You are so passionate about police officers and the Army, and this helped me to find books that you would be interested in. Do you remember reading about the canine dogs that helped men and women in the Army? As we took turns reading this book, I learned how amazing of a reader you are. That was a nonfiction book with many complex words and ideas, but you knew exactly what you were reading and were able to retell what you read with great detail. We also read the book Where the Wild Things Are together. You read through this book with amazing fluency, which is a great skill to have. One thing that you can work on while reading is to really focus on what is going on within the story. By stopping at the end of a page to think about what you read is a strategy that I think would help you. Another strategy that you could use is the stop and jot strategy. As you read, stop and write down something that you think is important, something that you don't quite understand, or a word that you do not know. After you are done reading, you can go back and see what you might need help with so you can better understand what you just read. I also really enjoyed getting to know you as a writer as well. When you wrote about the Haunted Mansion at Disney World, it was amazing to see how much fun you had on that ride. You wrote about how scary it was and even how fast it went. One thing that you can do to make writing even better is adding as much detail as you can. Think about every little detail that you can remember from an experience. For example, think about the Haunted Mansion ride that you went on and try to remember as much as you can about it. Think about who was on the ride with you, how you felt while you were on the ride. What did you see around you? What kind of seat were you sitting in? Did the ride go upside down? Asking yourself some questions about your experiences will help you to add even more detail to your writing. I really enjoyed getting to know you and learning more about your reading and writing skills. Thank you for allowing me to see you every week and practice my own teaching skills. I wish I could still see you right now and learn more from you, but this is the best we can do for now. I hope you have the best summer and enjoy your time in third grade next year. Bye, Yashi. It was so much fun getting to know you.